Pack 5.
Let's see, this is pack number 5. And I'm just gonna go right to the back to the rated rookies. Okay. And first rated rookie we got is Antonio Reeves from the Pelicans. We got Rob Dillingham from the Wolves. All right, here we go. Another one from the Knicks, Tyler Kolk on the green laser. Okay, I see you. All right, and we got a Jacoby Walker on the Great Expectations rookie. Nothing that great on there. These are all just commons. What we got for the commons? Nothing crazy.